What if I told you that you can brighten up your skin in this year 2026 with just 4 products that are also affordable? Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a favorite girl Amarachi Favy with the beautiful skin. And if today is the very first day you're seeing me on your screen, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Amarachi Favy, and over here we do all things related to skincare, feminine hygiene. I give you guys tips, okay, on how to just be a girl. Because I'm a girl's girl. And if you're an OG, welcome back to another video. If you're yet to subscribe, please do not forget to do that, so that today will not be the last day that you're going to see Amarachi Favy on your screen. And remember to also turn the notification bell so you get notified once I upload a new video. So this particular video is going to go straight to the point. I'm not going to be beating around the bush. I'm going to show you 4 good products that can brighten up your skin this year 2026. The one thing I like about these products is that number 1, they are affordable, and number 2, they are very effective when it comes to skin brightening. One thing I want you to know is that it does not matter the amount, okay, the amount or the price tag at which you bought your product that will make the product to work for you. What matters are the ingredients that this particular product contain, and also how you use them on your skin. If you follow instructions, if you use them the way you're supposed to use them, then they should obviously work for you. So without wasting your time, I am going to show you the 4 body care products that you're going to incorporate into your routine. You only need this 4, trust me, and you are going to be on your way to achieving a better and a glowy skin. Most of you said, Amarachi Favy, since this year you have been using pricey products, but I still have affordable products in my routine, and that is what I'm going to show you in this video. Grab your pen, grab your jotter, let's dive into the video proper. So the very first product you're going to be needing is your bar soap, okay, and for that I'm going to be recommending this one from Dove. This is the Dove Pink for soft and smooth skin. One thing I like about Dove product is that it is very gentle, very mild on the skin. It helps to moisturize the skin. One of the secrets for you to have a brighter looking skin is for you to have a moisturized skin. A dry skin cannot glow up no matter what, okay? No matter the kind of product that you're using, as long as your skin is extremely dry, there is no how that skin would glow up. So for that, you're going to be using this to wash your body in the morning and also wash your body at night, okay? I am going to explain how you're going to effectively use this to wash your body. I normally use this as a pre-cleansing bar, but in your case, you don't have money, you're on a tight budget, you can only use this particular bar soap without using any other shower cream or shower gel in your routine. And then at night, I want you to get this particular soap, okay? This is the K Brothers papaya soap, okay? This is for black spots, okay? And this contains good ingredients like papaya extract, which helps to brighten up your skin. If you know the importance of papaya extract, you will know that papaya extract helps to really brighten up the skin so well. And you can use it on your face and on your body. That is the most amazing thing about these 2 bar soaps that I'm holding on my hand. They are gentle and very suitable for you to use on your face. But if you have a very sensitive skin, I would ask that you lean towards this for your face. But if you do not have a sensitive skin, you can go ahead and use this. So in the morning, you're only going to be needing the particular bar soap from Dove, okay? Then at night, you would use this same Dove bar soap again as a pre-cleansing bar, and then use the K Brothers papaya soap as your main body wash or your main bar soap, okay? Then after you are done pre-cleansing using this, you will now go ahead to use this to bathe. After using it on your skin, leave it onto your skin for 2 minutes, okay? Leave it onto your skin for 2 minutes, and then go ahead to wash off your body or the lather that comes from this soap. This particular soap is very effective and brightening. If you have used K Brothers, you should know that this helps to brighten up the skin. And there is a reason why I am asking you to lean forward to the one that has papaya, not turmeric, okay? Most people tend to react to turmeric, okay? But this particular papaya is very gentle and suitable for any skin that wants or wishes to brighten up this year, okay? Like I said, it has good ingredients. It has papaya, it has sodium hydroxide, it has retinol, okay, which is retinol from retinol. It has niacinamide, which is vitamin B3. It has ascorbic acid, which is vitamin C, and it also has vitamin E. It has good, amazing ingredient that would help for it to work on your skin. pair these two together and thank me later in the comment section. So now we are done with the shower, we are done having our bath, and then you're going to be using good body care products on your skin again to lock in the moisture and to lock in the goodness that would come from these particular bar soaps that we have used morning and night. And for morning, I'll be recommending that you go with this particular Dove. You guys already know that I'm a Dove girly, and for that I'm recommending the Dove Pampering Care. But if you want that subtle glow, okay, if you want that subtle glow, I would recommend you go for Dove Invigorating Care. I'll repeat it again, Dove Invigorating Care, okay. That one is so good for those that want a very subtle glow, that glow that seems as if your body is glowing from within, okay. This would help to lock in hydration, moisture, and keep your skin looking plump and healthy. Whether you're using the Pampering Care or the Vigorating Care, any of them is absolutely fine. Just lay your hands on the original Dove body lotion and use it in the morning after you are done using your Dove bar soap to have your bath. Then at night, you're going to use another product that is so powerful, that contains powerful ingredients that would help to brighten up your skin. And that one product is from Desire. You guys already know that Desire is very affordable and very effective. Not just about it being affordable, but effective. It is a very big magic in a little bottle, okay? If you have used Desire product, you should be able to attest what I'm trying to say, that this particular body oil works wonders, especially the vitamin C. I have tried other variants. I've tried the almond, I've tried the turmeric, but I still ran back to the vitamin C because the vitamin C helps to lock in that glow that you really need as a baby girl that you are, okay? Funny enough, this is just sold for 3,000 naira or max 3,500 naira, depending on your location, and you're going to be getting the most amazing glow that your skin has ever gotten. It contains vitamin C, okay, which is an antioxidant that helps to brighten up your skin and give you a glowy and a healthy skin, okay? Particular body oil is enriched with natural extract that helps to sink into your skin and just glow up your skin from within. The reason why I'm saying that you should use this at night is because vitamin C extract is not suitable for you to use during the day and work under the sun. But like I used to mention on my channel, because I know that most of you or some of you might be remote workers that normally stay at home, then you can use this during the day, and you can also use the K brothers during the day. That is if you are certain that you always stay indoors, okay? Emphasis on staying indoors. When you use this and that, okay, morning and night, you're going to see faster results, especially if you are staying indoors. But if you're not staying indoors, then you can use it in the night, only at night. Please do not make the mistake of using it in the morning, okay? So these are the 4 products that are going to help you to achieve a healthy and a brighter looking skin this year without you breaking your bank at all. This year we are going to be on a tight budget, and I'm going to continue to create affordable routines for you, my loves, so that you would not see any reason for you not to glow up. If money is the problem, then you should stick to this channel, because all these things here are not more than, they should not be more than 30,000 naira, okay? And you're going to glow up on a budget, okay? For a fact, this particular one should not be more than 2.5, and this one I got it for 1,600. This should not be more than 3,000 naira, and this should not be more than 8,000 naira. So you see, all these are so affordable, and yet you are going to achieving a glowy and a brighter looking skin. I want you to stop looking at those very expensive products, especially when you know your budget. Please stick to your budget. I am going to continue to create routines here on YouTube telling you how to use this product, or how to use the affordable ones and the expensive ones to achieve the results that you're hoping to achieve. If I'm the right person and you feel like I have said something that you really resonate with, I would love you to click on that subscribe button. Please do not forget to subscribe, like this video, leave your notification bell turned on, so that today will not be the last day you're going to see my face on your screen. Remember to like this video, and also remember to share it to someone that you feel like is on a tight budget, but yet the person wants to glow up and achieve a very subtle glow. Share this routine with that person. You can glow on a budget without breaking your bank. Yes, I said so. And do not forget to leave a comment in the comment section telling me any of this product that you are using or you're not going to get, okay? Or if you're going to actually be stealing the whole routine for you to glow up this year. I would love to know. And until next time, my love, stay glowy and bye.